In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view user profiles in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to open a teammate's profile and what kind of information you can expect to find there, so you can quickly learn who someone is, how they work, and the best way to reach them. Start by heading to slack.com in your browser. This walkthrough uses the web version, but the flow is very similar in the desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, just log into your workspace as you normally would. Once your workspace loads, you'll see the familiar Slack layout: channels and conversations on the left, messages in the center, and details or tools on the right when needed. Next, look to the left sidebar and click DMs. Depending on your workspace settings, this section might be labeled direct messages or simply show a list of recent one-on-one and small group conversations. If the list is collapsed, click the small arrow to expand it. This is your hub for private conversations with teammates. Now, select the person whose profile you want to view by clicking their name in the DMs list. If you don't immediately see them, try scrolling or using the search bar at the top to find their name. Clicking their name opens your direct message thread with that person. Don't worry if you haven't chatted before, Slack will still open a conversation view so you can access their details. With the direct message open, look for the option to view their profile. You'll typically find a view profile button or link near the top of the conversation or in the details area on the right side of the screen. Click view profile and Slack will open a panel showing key information about that teammate. Here, you can see useful details like their job title, department, location or time zone, current status, and any custom fields your organization uses, such as team, manager, or office location. You may also see ways to contact them, like email or phone, depending on what they've chosen to share. This panel is great for quickly confirming someone's role, understanding their availability, and deciding the best way to follow up. A few quick tips as you work: if you don't see DMs or the person you're looking for, you may not share a workspace or you may need permission to view their profile. If the view profile option isn't obvious, try expanding the app window or clicking the person's name in the conversation header. On mobile, the layout differs slightly, but the view profile option is in the conversation as well. And that's it. Go to Slack, open DMs, select the person, and click view profile. Simple, fast, and really helpful for getting context on your teammates.